GCSE Physicists, so exams are coming up. Hopefully you're finding these videos useful, or maybe just start at your year 10. Remember, you can also join our online classes if you want extra help. So this is a popular question, and one you just need to know off. It's something you learned in year 11. It says identify one contact force. Contact forces, we know if something is in contact, like a contact sport, is touching, T-O-U-C-H, sorry I can't spell, and one non-contact force is when they're not touching. So if I've got a book on my table, it's a terrible color pen, so we're going to switch it. If I've got my book on my table, a contact force, something that is touching it, is going to be that normal contact force or that reaction force from the table. Okay, so one force is the normal contact force. That one's probably easier because it's got the word contact as name. So the normal contact force, that's what's pushing the book from the table. Same way when I'm standing on the ground, there's a force pushing me up from the ground. That's my normal contact force. And then the non-contact force, thing that's not touching it, is, we know that book's on Earth. So there's going to be a force pulling it down towards the center of the Earth, and that force is known as its weight, or the force of gravity. So the other force, the non-contact force, so we're going to specify which is which. The non-contact force is the force of gravity, or you can call it weight. Either one is fine. Okay, this one says, what's the difference between scalar and vector quantities? Again, just something you have to learn off. We're going to make sure we specify which is which, because they're looking out for you, say one has and one doesn't. Make sure you specify scalar quantities. So quantity just means like values, information. So scalar quantities have, oops, that I can't spell, have a magnitude only. So a magnitude just means a fancy way of saying a number, but vector quantities have a magnitude and a direction. So they have a number and a direction. So in example one, like example of a scalar could be speed. Our speed might be 10 meters per second, but the vector then will be velocity, 10 meters per second north. So you see, vectors just have that little extra bit of information, just tell you the direction also.